welcome to Magnolia Design Company. My name is Kathleen Vicenzotti, and I am the Vice President of Sales here at Magnolia Design Company. See, Magnolia Design Company. Super excited you stopped by because I am going to have a fun project today. Happy March. I want to know, where are my Irish peeps out there? How many of you have Irish background or pretend to be Irish at least one day a year on St. Patrick's Day? I am going to show us a fun little project that we're going to use today, featuring this adorable 8.5 by 11 stencil, prone to shenanigans and malarkey. Now, come on. How many of out there are prone to shenanigans and malarkey? This girl right here. Actually, I'm a quarter Irish, Vicenzotti, more Italian heritage, but I do have a little bit of Irish in me, and I do like to participate in the St. Patrick's Day festivities and wear green and just, be seasonal and take advantage of some of the seasonal fun that happens. So this is a great stencil that you can get available. Get it now because you'll get it in time to make something fun. So what can you do with this stencil? So first thing is, when I get done with the project we're going to do here today, I'm going to go downstairs and chalk with chalk paste. I'm going to put it on the mirror in my entryway because I like to change it up seasonally. And so that's what's going to go on here. But another thing is, we have this really cute, I think it's 11 by 14 total size. It's a reusable chalkboard. So what you can do is take your stencil and chalk on it, right? And after St. Patrick's Day, if you want to freshen it up for Easter, another season, you can always remove the chalk easily with some water. But it would be a fun little project for that too. But today, we're not going to do anything with chalk. We are going to do something fun with ink. And I know we've featured some ink projects on here before, but I have a t-shirt that I'm going to wear because, I don't know about you, you go through your closet, right? You know it's like Valentine's Day, St. Patrick's Day, and you want to celebrate, right? You want to either wear it to work, go to the gym, and at least, just recognize and be part of what's happening, right? And I have this white t-shirt, and actually, okay, I probably shouldn't tell you this, but I'm gonna. How many of you, I always spill stuff on me. I hate something spilled. My white t-shirt, I wear it once or twice before I get something stained. So this actually has a really small stain on it, and I won't wear it because of the little stain. But I'm actually gonna stencil over it, and I think the words are gonna cover it right up so nobody can see. And then I can have a cute shirt for St. Patrick's Day. So I'm gonna just start out with a white shirt. And of course, you could do this on any type of ink. Can work on any type of fabric surface. So you could do it on a shirt, you could do it on a tote bag, you could do it on a pennant banner. We have some really cute hanging banners and hanging signs, magnetic banners as well. So this is my shirt. And what I'm going to do is lay it flat. But, as you can see here, there's some wrinkles in it, right? And it's like, I'm afraid when I put my stencil on and my ink on, I want it to be nice and smooth. So Magnolia has this really nice inking mat, and it actually is sticky. So I'm going to peel this off, and you want to keep the cover so that you can put it back on, but it's sticky. And it's going to stick to my shirt, so I can smooth my shirt out on it and make sure it's nice and flat. And then what it's also going to do, it's going to prevent the ink from bleeding through on the back side. So you don't want that to happen either. But how many of you out there, I just want to know, have used ink before? Comment below if you've used our inks before. What do you think on those ink projects? What have you inked before? And then also tag somebody or sprinkle this to somebody who is Irish that you think might appreciate shenanigans and malarkey this time of year, or maybe all year, depending on your personality. And you don't have to be Irish just to be prone to shenanigans, right? So I'm going to just put this on here. And we also have a t-shirt ruler, so you can measure how far you want. Now, I'm a kind of fly by the seat of your pants kind of girl. And I am going to wing it and eyeball it based on my shirt. But if you are somebody who would like to measure it, or, just have some guidance of a ruler, we do have a t-shirt ruler that can help you with placements on shirts and different things like that. So, all right, I'm just going to level this out, perfect, and smooth it out. Okay, nice and smooth. So I'm going to just take my stencil. Now, of course, our silkscreen stencils are reusable, which is so cool because like I told you, like when I get done here, I'm going to wash this and then use it for a chalk project on my front mirror. So and then the cool thing too is I could save this for next year and use it again if I want to. But our stencils come like this. They're silkscreen mesh. And the easiest way I found to peel the stencil off is just take the center, just take your fingers and just go like that and see it's just sticking. And I am going to peel this off. And you could take a permanent marker right in the back, the name of the stencil you're using. So when you're all done, you can put it back in here. I'm going to take our tacky cloth and I am just going to tacky it up a little bit so that it gets some fuzz in the back so it doesn't stick too much to my shirt. And then the hardest part is going to be to decide what colors to use. I'm using green and black, but I just don't know what letters or what places I'm going to use. So I'm going to just take this and I'm going to eyeball it. And this looks about right. And I'm just going to smooth this out. Of course, my shirt is on, so we're going to smooth it all out, right? Prone to Shenanigans and Malarkey. And so I have 2 inks that I've already pulled out for this project. And I don't actually, so I have the green and I have the black. So I'm going to bring my little catalog out and see what colors they are so that you guys can know. And just so you know, all of these items that I'm showing today can be purchased through your creator. Or better yet, if you have friends who you think would like to make a project like this, get a few friends together and have a t-shirt making party. She can hook you up with the supplies. So this is emerald green and coal black from the ink and the ink jars I'm using for that. So just wanted to let you guys know. But how fun would it be to have like a t-shirt making party? So talk to your creator. She can hook you up. And you know what? You can earn discounted and free products by hosting an event. What's cool about Magnolia Design Company is that we reward our hosts who help us share our products with other crafters and creators or people who just want to have fun making something, right? I'm in my happy place right now, aren't you? So, prone to Shenanigans and Malarkey. I think what I'm going to do is make the Shamrocks green, the Shenanigans green, and then the prone to and Malarkey black. What do you guys think? Let me know below. So this is the ink, and it's a really nice consistency. And I am just gonna put a little bit on my squeegee. So we have these little squeegees, and everybody holds it a little bit different. I like to hold it with my 4 fingers like this and the thumb on the bottom. So I'm just gonna smooth it with gentle pressure. Make sure my ink is right, nice and smooth on here. You don't want to press too hard, just enough to coat the fabric. And just pull it across. And look at how easy and smooth that goes on. So I'm just going to get a little bit more. So typically you're going to go in one direction. I'm a really messy crafter too. If you've been watching me before, you know that. So then we're going to go into this. Look at how quick and fun this is. So I know there's a lot of people out there who use their Cricut and stuff to make little sayings too with some fabric, but to me it's like, why bother cutting all those little squares out and separating everything when this, you can just throw it on there and just do this and we're going to be all done. So did you take somebody, tell me who here has a little bit of Irish in them? Anybody out there who has a little bit of Irish? You know, you might want to tag somebody who is, because maybe if you tag somebody who is, we'll go back and do a free drawing for us. Okay, so that is the green. What do you guys think so far, right? Super fun. Oh, and I did it backwards. See, I was talking to you guys, and I forgot what I was going to do. But I still think that'll be fun. I'll put prone, you know, I guess I just did it reverse of what my original intention was. Sometimes those things happen, and you just have to go with it. And you know what? It's your fault. You guys distracted me from what I was doing. but maybe that's how it's supposed to be, right? Some of those things turn out that way. So Shenanigans and it's going to be in black. So we just want to make sure we are just going up and down in simple pressure. It's really so fun and calming to do. And I want to know who is going to be inspired to go make a t-shirt for their St. Patrick's Day event. You got time. You might want to get it though, so you can get it in time. And the cool thing about this permanent ink is just that, it's permanent. So the ink is going to set when it dries after 24 hours. I'm going to heat set it with an iron. I'm just going to take some parchment paper and just heat set it. And then that way, when it goes in the washing machine, my ink will be set and it'll be permanent. And there you go. So I'm just going to go through and just take one more look. Perfect. You guys still hanging around? You got to wait for the best part, right? The best part is called the peel and reveal. And hopefully, oh, I missed a little bit right here on my end. Just always double check to make sure. Now, if for some reason I miss a spot, I can always come back after it's dried and do it again. But I think we're good. And the fun part, peel and reveal. Let's see. Oh my gosh, I'm loving it so far. And you can see this is fabric, flexible. So you just kind of want to be gentle when you're peeling it off, because you don't want to pull the stencil. And I probably didn't fuzz my stencil enough, but I'm super excited. Ah! Yay! And let's see. Prone to Shenanigans. Let me just put it on my backer here. I'm going to go rinse this because ink you want to rinse right away. But I'm so excited. Let's see. Take it off. It's a little wet still, but it's going to look great. So I can't wait to show you. So look it. What do you guys think? Prone to Shenanigans and Malarkey. Yay! So thanks for joining and watching this live. I hope you had as much fun as I did. I can't wait to wear it. It is just so fun. And it's like addicting. So now I'm like, do I have any other shirts in my closet? Or maybe a sweatshirt I could go out and just like upcycle or recycle by using Magnolia Design stencils and inks. It's just so fun. All right, guys, have a great day. Appreciate you stopping by, and come back for another edition of We Made It Here Together at Magnolia and Design. Bye-bye.